line was important in Furteventura because we have limestone everywhere, calcium. And we export in general to Tenerife and Gran Canaria because for the local people it was quite expensive. Due to geological reason, we have limestone, this yellow stone everywhere. You see along the tour a lot of places. Furteventura, if you compare with Tenerife or Gran Canaria. Furteventura is the second biggest island, the first is Tenerife, 2,000 square meters. Furteventura is 1,600, Gran Canaria 1,500, but in Tenerife live about 1 million people, in Gran Canaria close to 900, and here we are just 130,000. And the last 5,000 just in the last 2 years. The reason, well, arrived from the past. There wasn't water, so it was a dog life, and the people immigrate to the other island. Nowadays, with the tourism sector, the thing changed, and a lot of people come here, searching a job, searching an opportunity, like everywhere. And in this area, the small villages were developed during the time. If you look on your back, they're still building new. Puerto del Rosario. They don't like gas, maybe like in English. Small church. What we have here is a parking where you see you have caravan or camper. Is something special in Fuerteventura. Yeah. It's the last island in the Canary archipelago where you can camp free. Everywhere. Just to take care about the special area, protected area, think about our environment, but you can come here or by yourself, so with your camper, your van. The name here. A lot of the names that we have also nowadays in the Canary Islands are names derived from the language of the natives from the past. Names that start with G, like Isgay, Gofio, Girre, Ganigo, with T a lot, Indaya, Tamonate, Tiviabi, Petir when we arrive. Okay, so we cannot tell that the Canary language is a language, it's a dialect. It is a mix of different types of cultures at the end. Something special in this nice photo, at the end is a mix of photos. We have in the corner on the left down our dog. Is Majorero dog. Majorero means from Fuerteventura. So we have Majorero people, Majorero animals, Majorero tools. The Majorero dog is unique in the world. You can find nowadays in the official breeds at international level. For the group, then and before, you know. With your guys.